So hi all, my name is Lalita and I am from class 8. So in today's video we are going to watch how to make our own emotion machine. So basically we need to know what is an emotion machine. An emotion machine is a type of game or a project in which if we click on a button it should display the type of feeling and as well as it should display the emotion. For example, if you click on a button happy, then it should display a smiley emoji and as well as it should display that I am feeling happy. So this is the logic of a project. So let's move ahead. So next we need to go to Google and type code.org. After typing, just log in to that. After logging in, you need to create your own account, and I have created it. So after creating it, just choose App Lab. So after choosing that, you would get a page like this. So basically, there's a screen present. Here, and as well as toolbox and workspace. So first we need to name our project. So I have already named it as Emotion Machine. So basically, there are three parts in this. One is code, next is design, and the third one is data. And in this project, we are going to be dealing only with the code and design. So first, let's start with the designer part of our project. So first, we need to drag and drop a label, and let's rename it as Emotion Machine. So I have renamed it, and we need to even rename it even in the ID. So I am going to keep it as just label. So after doing it, I would like to change the font of this. So I'm going to give it as I like to give it as impact, and I'm going to increase even the font size. So let's make it a bit big so that it's visible. And after that, I would like to change even the alignment of this. So I'm going to give it as center alignment. So we are done with this label. And next, we need to drag and drop two buttons. So one of the button is happy, and the another button is sad. So first, let's do for the button happy. So I'm going to rename it as happy, and the ID for this button is happy button. So I would like to change the background color of this. So and I'm gonna keep it as I would like to keep it as green, and the text color for this I would like to give it as black. And so yeah, and next we are done with this happy button. So next let's go to the sad button. So let's rename it as sad, and the ID for this button is sad button. So after doing it, again I would like to change the background color for this, and I'm going to give the background color for this as somewhat like a purple, and the text color for this is black. So I'm done with this also, and next we need to drag and drop the image. So after dragging and dropping it, just place it in the correct place or the desired place where you want. And next again we need to drag and just wait a minute, and we need to rename the ID for this as emoji. I would like to keep it as emoji, and we are done with this also. And next we need to drag and drop a label. Let's make it a bit big so that it would be visible, and I would like to keep it as I would like to rename it as I am feeling, and the ID for this is feeling label, and I would like to change the font for this, and I'm going to keep it as comic, and the font size I'm going to keep it a bit big so that it would be visible. So I have kept it somewhat like at 25, and the alignment I'm going to give it as center. So we are done with this label, and again we need to drag and drop a label. So after dragging and dropping it, just adjust it according to your requirements. So and now I'm adjusting, so just wait for a few minutes. So I would like to rename this label as nothing, and you would understand why I didn't rename, like when we'll be doing in when we would be doing in the coding part. So I would like to give the ID as emotion label. So I have done, and again I would like to give the font as comic. So and the font size as 25, and the alignment as center. So we are done with this, and I would like to give even the background color for this. It looks a bit pale or dull. So I would like to give the color as aqua, as I like this color. So after giving the color, let's move on to the designer interface. Let's move on to the coding. So first we need to drag and drop the on event. So you need to know why we need to drag and drop this. So why are we using this block is that when we click on the button, it should show the it should show the emoji, and as well as it should display the text. So for that we are using this on event block. So first let's rename this, let's give, instead of ID, I'm going to give it as happy button, because first we are going to do it for happy button. And next we need to drag and drop that property, and instead of ID I'm going to give it as emoji, because first I'm doing for the picture, and then I'm going to be moving on with the text. So I have given it as emoji, and instead of with I'm going to give it as image, and here it's showing some link. So instead of that we can go to this choose option. So it's shown here as choose assist. So you can even upload the file from the internet, or you can just choose icon. So here I'm gonna choose smile, smiley symbol, and we need to give even some color for this, and I would like to give that. So again we need to drag and drop the set property, and instead of ID give it as emoji, and instead of width, that's a small change in this, instead of image you are going to give it as icon color, because we are going to change the color of that icon, and I would like to give it as yellow. So we are done with the image, and next we are gonna move on with the text. So we need to drag and drop the set text block, and instead of ID we are gonna choose it as feeling label, and we are gonna keep the text as happy. So it's done. So we are done with the happy button. So we need to follow the same thing for this, even for the sad button also. So just drag and drop the on event, and instead of ID choose it as sad button, and next we need to drag and drop the set property, and instead of ID it should be emoji, and instead of width it should be image, and again a link is given here. Instead of this you can just choose this drop down menu and go to choose, and go to icons and choose this sad smiley or whatever it is. And next again, like for this happy button, I have even given it as we need to change the icon color. So even here also I'm going to do that. So just again drag and drop the set property. Instead of ID, choose it as emoji, and instead of width, it should be icon color. And I'm gonna choose the color as blue. So we are done with the image part, and next we need to drag and drop the set text, and instead of ID, it should come as just wait a minute. It should be actually emotion label. So just choose here emotion label, and the text should be sad. So that's all. We are done with the coding part also. So just let's run and see it. So when we choose happy, I am feeling happy, and you can see that a smiley emoji has come and the color is yellow, and even the text is displayed. So when we choose on sad, it is like I am feeling sad, the text is displayed, and the emoji has come and the color has changed. So that's all, friends. You can make an emotion machine like this, and you can even share it with your friends and family members. So for that, you need to just choose this share option and choose this copy link, and you can just share it with your family and friends. That's all. Thank you all.